Fifth grade Excel, lesson 92, estimating to the nearest dollar or whole number. Oh, this is an easy lesson. You're going to love this. All right, here we go with the beginning of the lesson. When rounding to the nearest, oh, we have a studio audience here too. Say hi, everybody. There they are. They're monsters. When rounding to the nearest whole number, look at the digit in the tenths place. Whole number, what's another name for the whole numbers place, everybody?
Ones.
Ones, right? The whole number place is the ones place. We're rounding to the nearest one. Look at the digit in the tenths place. If the digit in the tenths place is 5 or greater, just like you always do when you're rounding, you're going to round up to the next highest whole number or the next highest dollar. If the digit is less than 5, 4 or under, round down by dropping off the decimal portion of the number. In other words, just get rid of the numbers and leave it alone the way it is. So let's take a look at a couple of problems here. Write the number that appears in words. That's probably not on your page. The words are right here. And then round it to the nearest whole number. The first one says 6.37. They have 6.37 probably already on your page. You look to the right of the ones place or the whole numbers place. That 3 tells that 6 stay the same. In other words, we're rounding down. So the answer is 6.00 or just plain old 6. The next one says 7.50. Here's 7.50. If we're at the whole number place, we look to the right. That tenths place with a TH tells me to round this number 7 up. All right, so that goes to 8. The next one says 3.05. 3.05 is what you should write right there. Go ahead and fill that in on your paper. And here's the whole number place. Look to the right. What does the 0 tell us to do?
Not to bump it up.
Leave it alone, right? So the answer is 3. Hopefully that's real easy for you. All right. Oh, this page we already did that. Let's keep going. They have some words written down here for you. What you're going to do is fill in the numbers right here. And then go ahead and round each one to the nearest whole number. So pause the video, fill in the numbers, and then round it to the nearest whole number. All right, here's what you should have filled in for each one of these. And let's go ahead and round these. 2.47 rounds to what, everybody?
2.
2, because that 4 tells that 2 to stay the same, right? 3.82, where am I going to round that?
4.
4. 8 bumps this number up a little bit. 4.81 rounds to 5, because the 8 bumps it up, right? And 7.65, what am I going to round that to? 8. The 6 is greater, 5 or greater, so it bumps it up. 15, this is the ones place. Look to the right. That 2 tells the 5 to stay the same, so what's the answer?
15.
15, good. And 18, this is the ones place. Look to the right to the tenths place. What does the 2 tell it to do? Stay the same at 18. Great job. Okay, here are some problems, some word problems with estimation, rounding to the nearest dollar. Let's take a look at the sample problem here together. Roz bought 3 gifts that cost $7.84, $2.50, and $8.45. Estimate the money that she spent. Here are the amounts written without estimating, and then they rounded each amount to the nearest dollar and added them up to get an estimate of $19. And you can see how close that is to the real amount of $18.79. If I'm going too fast for you, just pause the video, go back and watch it again. All right, go ahead and do number 11. Turn the video back on when you're ready to see the solution. All right, here we go. Haley's going to show us how it's done.
Okay, well, Chuck bought 7 pieces of yarn that are each 8.1 inches long. Estimate how many inches of yarn he bought. Well, first, I will round the 8.1 to 8. And then I multiply that by 7, which is 56. So that's 56 inches long. And then this one you go 8.1 times by 7, which would be 7.56, or 56.7 inches long.
Great job, Haley. That's what you should have had on your answer. And here are two other problems. Go ahead and try these. Pause the video, turn it back on when you're ready to see the solution. All right, Tyler's going to show you how you should have done these problems here. Go ahead and solve numbers 12 and 13 for us.
Okay. So she wants to buy a CD that costs $8.95. She already has this amount right here. Okay. So it would be, so this would turn out to be $3. And she wants to buy that. So, am I doing it right?
Yep, keep going.
So you're gonna multiply?
Wants to buy something that costs $8.95 and has $2.72. How much more?
Oh yeah, good. So it would be $8. You'd subtract that. Do $5.
Why did you round $8.95 to 8?
Oh, 9.
Okay.
So it would be $9 and $3. So this one would be $11.
No. How much more does she need?
Oh yeah. So it's subtraction.
And 9 plus 3 is not 11 anyway. Why don't you clear all that stuff off of there? Hit the spray bottle. There you go. Okay?
So it would be $9. And so subtracting $3 would equal $6.
Okay, now figure out the exact answer to see how close that estimation is.
Okay, so this one is
Quickly,
No.
quickly.
this one seven, one.
You're adding them?
Oh my goodness.
Why are you subtracting on one and adding on the other? Why would you erase the whole problem? Okay, go.
8, 9, 5, and 2, and 72. 3, 2, 6.
Okay, Haley, why don't you do the last one?
Okay. Lee, right? Lee?
Wait, yeah.
Leah is 58.2 inches tall. Patrick is 44.7 inches tall. Estimate how much taller Leah is than Patrick. So then you would make 58.2 fit 58 because 2 is smaller than 8. I think I should make that bigger. 58. Okay, 44.7. Want to make that 45. And 3, and 13. How much taller is it? 13 inches. And then on this side you do 58.2 minus 44.7. You have to take off that. Make that a 7, and make that a 12. Make that a 5, and make that a 3, make that a 1, and 13.5 inches.
All right. Hopefully you got that. Thanks for watching.